Hello guys, welcome back to the family. I just want to share something. Today I'll be shooting a video. Already moi dikabo mon jado ito constructed under LADP 2024 to 2025 Salangdam Ward Unit. Ito NDPP la Salangdam Ward Unit pra bonala ase. Ito bridge ekta bonagina ase. Ito dikabole mon ase. So this is the bridge that they have constructed. This is Salangdam, and then this is QGT Port. And this is the Milak River. So ito tuita laka sector join gura laka. Sorry, Salangdam Ward Unit pra panay parent body pra panala ase. Ito dikabuli muna ase. And Salangdam Ward is under 27 Assembly Constituency. 27 Nagaland Assembly Constituency. Di asi do adula Minister do Sir Matsubu. Dahil laka constituency laka under di ito initiative loy gina ito la Salangdam Bridge to construct korishi. Mo itia phalbra tikai tibo. 28 December 2024. After that, this is the bridge. The flower speed donation diasi, and then this is the bridge. The concept of building this bridge is that ito laka jaga bra QGT Port bra yadi I believe when there is a rainy season ito Milak River to cross karo na pare aro school students kan alak ito QGT Port bra Salangdam Ward say like Douglas Jubilee kandi kan garni bishi tuk pa ase tagan o fale cross krina I believe olai, and it's a very itu karni takan itu la main initiative lugina takan bra grievances phal saigina phal bra pages kuina panai dise. So this is the bridge. Sir, hello.